I want to talk about Trenchless. It's called Trenchless Sewer Repair. And this is like about one of the worst things that could happen, right? When you're at home and all of a sudden the toilet doesn't flush, stuff's coming up from the shower, you know you've got a serious problem.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
First sign, right?
Yes.
Okay. We call you. What is the first thing you're going to do?
Well, the first thing we're going to do is send a technician out.
Okay.
They're going to clear the line, and we're going to camera it and do a video inspection. Find out what kind of condition it is, see if there's actually a problem or was it just misuse.
Okay.
And then we'd go from there.
Okay. So we're taking a look at this pipe right here. This is obviously broken, damaged, a good candidate, as you would say, Dan.
Yeah.
But what are some of the reasons that this can happen to our pipes?
Time,
Ooh.
right?
Yeah.
Cast iron pipe doesn't do well in the conditions that it's in the soil.
Yes.
Water, so the water attacks it from the inside and the soil attacks it from the outside. And longevity, I mean, it's been in the ground for 50, 60 years, so
Right.
it's probably at the end of its life expectancy.
Yeah, time to change it up and
Yeah.
improve it. Okay, so back in the day, and you tell me a lot of people will still do this. When you come over, you do the camera inspection. You say you find out if the pipe's a good candidate,
Right.
and if it is, a lot of people are afraid because, oh my gosh, now you're going to tear up my floor,
Yeah.
right, to get to it. But you say you don't have to do that.
We don't have to do that no more. We got several methods nowadays that allow us to replace the pipe or repair the pipe without doing any damage to the interior of the home.
Okay, so once you do that camera inspection, Travis, are we able to know if our pipes are good candidates?
Right away, we'll know.
Okay.
Right when you run the camera in there, as long as it's clear and we get a visual,
Okay.
you'll know right away what kind of condition it is.
Okay.
We've been doing it for 4 years, so we've done a lot of the rehabs. So we know what we're looking for, and we know what, if there is a problem, what not to do to it. So
Right.
you
Or which method to do,
Yep.
right? Because Dan, you tell me there's 4 different ways you can approach this.
Yes.
What are they?
So we have our CIPP, our cure in place piping.
This one right here.
That's
and
that
that's
one.
just basically what is happening
What
here?
we do is we invert a pipe through the existing pipe,
Okay.
right?
So this was obviously broken, and this is now it's repaired.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Okay.
the other method is actually a brush-in epoxy coating. So if your pipe doesn't have a lot of structural damage, this may be the option to go right here.
Okay. And then there are other methods you can use. I guess it just depends on how bad the damage is.
How bad the damage is, where the pipe's located, what material the pipe is made out of itself. Right?
Okay.
So some of the other methods we have are pipe bursting and
that's not good.
point patch repairs
Okay.
for smaller damages in pipes.
But really, it starts with that camera inspection to find out.
Without a camera,
Yeah.
nobody could give you any real information.
All right.
So, and the good thing about
Note to
cameras
self.
is they don't lie.
This is true. This is fact. This is what I do every day. It doesn't lie. All right, you guys. Hey, thank you so much. Good information, right? You don't have to tear up your floor anymore. Here's a special offer for you. Just mention Sonoran Living, and you'll receive a free trenchless estimate and 10% off a booked trenchless service. They have multiple ways to go about it, like just explained. Moon Valley Plumbing and Routers, 602-253-2600.